Instructors teaching from the digital classroom Podium can present from the built-in computer, Blu-ray player, or document camera, as well as connect their own portable device, such as a laptop, tablet, or phone. The Podium is operated by using the keyboard and mouse located in the pull-out drawer, or by using the touchscreen. To get started, first verify that the system is on by pressing any key on the keyboard. The keyboard is located in the pull-out drawer. The login screen will then appear after a few moments. At the login screen, type in your Rutgers NetID and password and press Enter. After you log in, the Rutgers Classroom Podium controller will open. The Podium controller is the window from which you will control the system. If you lose the window at any point, just click on the DCS logo located in the dock at the bottom of the screen or on the desktop. The Podium controller is divided into 3 columns. The first column, all the way to the left, contains a list of sources. No matter what you would like to use, you will always start by selecting a source. Once selected, the source button will turn red. The second column contains various controls. The controls on the top will change based on what source you have chosen in the first column. The controls on the bottom will always be the same. The first button allows you to turn the projector on and off manually. The second button will turn the image black, so you can use the blackboard behind the screen or redirect the class's focus to you. The third button will freeze the projector, allowing you to enter passwords or work without the scrutiny of your students. The top of the third column contains the volume control. You can change the volume by dragging the slide up and down. By default, the system starts with the volume muted, so remember to raise the slider if you want to present audio. When you're finished using the system or finished with class, please be sure to select Log Out on the Podium controller. If you have any further questions about how to use the digital classroom Podium, explore the DCS website or contact our help desk. We have staff available at our help desk and on campus to assist you in using the system and exploring its vast capabilities.